What's up, fellow pickers, hoarders, collectors, resellers, vintage item enthusiasts, antique enthusiasts, antiquers, all you folks out there who love to do what I do. I'm heading to a Goodwill Outlet right now to do what I do best, and that is to hunt for treasures. The way the Goodwill Outlet works is there's bins and you just dig through them, and it's actually overflow, so you end up paying for items by weight. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and we're really looking for anything we can make money on, but especially for vintage items. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It'll help me out tremendously. The more subscriptions I get, the more generic traffic YouTube will send my channel, and that goes the same for the like button. If you just hit that little bell that you like the video, or no, not the little, the little like thing, but you just hit that, and they love that, and they'll send me more traffic. Right now, I believe I'm at 649 subscribers. Hopefully, I can hit past that 650. Maybe one of you will help. But let's head up to this Goodwill Outlet, and we're gonna see what we can find. See you when we get there. Alright guys, here we go, heading up into the Goodwill Outlet Center to see what treasures we can find today. I got my chest, I got the GoPro attached to my chest to free up my hands. See if I can find more stuff. Alright, here we go. What is this? Let's speed up. This is different. These Goodwill Outlet Centers are all over the place. Actually, I think this is pretty cool. It's wood. Somebody handed this. I'm gonna get this. There's everything here. Yoga mats, whatever you can imagine. It's kind of cool. It's very cool, actually. See that? Hummingbird. I'm pretty sure this is brass. I think I'm let's see how much that costs. What is this? What the world? Okay, different. Little Bergen's baby. I think I'm gonna get it. Hopefully Stop working again. Today is rapidly not working out. The Lord blessed me with waking up today, so I'm not complaining. Or at least I'm gonna stop complaining. 2001 Barbie Corvette. See, this is where it gets hard. It's 2001, those kids are now grown. So I'm gonna look it up. Just to be sure. It's kind of beat up though. Barbie remote car. Alright. Is this the one? Was that it? Actually, ironically, guys, I wish I had the remote for that. The problem is it's digging through the bins. There it is, 33, 26. But I don't have a remote for it. No remote, only sold for 15. Oh well. I had a remote. Bunch of old records. Oh, this is packing tight. Too tight. There she goes. I wish I had a remote to that Barbie car. Alright, let's look for vintage clothes. Call it a day. Maybe there's some shoes here today. We're striking out. Like fishing, I guess. Like all this treasure hunt. You gotta hunt for it. When you're hunting, sometimes you come home with nothing. I've never really been a shoe person, so it could be right in front of my face, I wouldn't know. I just kind of glanced over at him. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Virginia Rose. Okay. Chipped. We have a Virginia Rose here, but it's chipped. See? There. But that Virginia Rose kind of motivates me to look a little deeper. Anita. That's another good one. Son of a gun. Alright, now I'm really dig into here. So I've seen a Virginia Rose and an Anita. Both are damaged. That's probably why they're still here. Hey, what's this? Is this real crazy or fake crazy? Fake crazy. Looked pretty cool for a second there though. Almost had me tricked. Come on, maybe something over here. A little picture in there. My wife told me not to get no more artwork for a little bit. I'm starting to pile up on her. You guys know I'm not going to listen, right? False cry. That Virginia Rose got me excited. I was like, man, there's more of that here. Clean up. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Problem with the plate, so you gotta worry about weight. weights are heavy. It's different. I'm thinking about it. Nah. She would say nah to that. This one's actually kind of cool, but she would say nah. Oh man, look at this one. Everything's just destroyed today. This deep walnut oak frame. Oh well. That's what it's like here. Man, that was disappointing. Wow. It probably wasn't in that condition when it got dropped off, donated. Wow. There's somebody out there watching this video that understands. Let me look this up real quick. Let's see what we got here, because that's getting a little desperate, but it's Apollo 8385. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up then. It's just not my day. Certificate. Original. What is this? Citizenship? Okay. It's different. Alright, the haul was pretty disappointing today. They just weren't bringing out new bins, so basically everything had been picked through so much, it wasn't much there. I did manage to get this Bergen's doll. It was just a little $20, nothing special. That card piece of wood I was pretty excited about. I really like that piece. And the brass bird. But the catch with the Goodwill, when you're digging through the Goodwill Outlet bins, it's literally, you never know what you're going to get. Sometimes it could be the best haul of your life, and other times it's just, eh. But that's part of the game, and it's what I love. I guess that's why I like to go fishing, too. But that's it for this video. Hopefully I have better luck on my next adventures, on my next treasure hunts. So please remember to like the video. Like always, I really appreciate it. And to subscribe. And until next time, stay happy and stay blessed.